Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, presses, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a really amazing press. It's a 1,000-ton pad printing press. When I say that, that's going to mean it's going to form with a rubber pad, metal, and your sheet metal, and it'll form all the way around the parts. Very amazing technology. It's been around a long time. They have a few different types of ways to do it, but you're going to find it in a lot of helicopter places, aerospace, and all types of airplanes, parts, everything like that. So what we're going to do, I don't have the machine running here right now. We do have a video of it just going up and down so you can see that, but we're just going to walk around the machine and let you see everything on it so we can make sure it's what you're looking for. This press was made by Beckwood. All their presses are custom made. They're very heavy duty and very simple. You can see Parker hydraulics. Most of the stuff's going to be easy to get, American made parts. Parker cylinders. We'll show you all the ins and outs here just so you can see everything's in really nice condition. Here's the pad we're talking about. This particular pad is an oversized pad. They'd probably be half the size of that. They get adhesive to the top here, and they'll form the part when you put as many parts as you need. It's got a nice big size bed, light curtains, simple finger controls. Here's your electrical box. Everything's all above ground, which is really rare. There's no pit on this machine at all. All above ground, all self-enclosed there. Here you can see the rear part. Cylinders, Series 3H. Here you can see some of the pads that they were using, some of the forms. The metal goes right on the forms. It gets pushed on by the actual sheet metal and the form of this monster press. Now, if this is the type of machine or if there's something else even larger you're looking for, if you have something to buy, sell, or trade, please give us a call. Let us know how we can help you at 626-444-0311. Thank you. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.